Shop tip. If you got 4.5-inch angle grinders like I do, they get a lot of wear and tear, and you might want to spend a few minutes and pull the heads off, and see, it looks pretty dry. So what you do, take a little grease out of this reservoir here and just fill it up on the inside here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. It's going to be a little awkward, but you get the idea. Just like packing a bearing, kind of a reservoir inside that ring gear, and get grease on those gears teeth, and you'll be good for another while. You get from the factory, they just shove a bunch of crap down here in the bottom, and that's it. Anyway, saves a lot of wear and tear. What started this was I got into one of my other ones, and it was starting to get real loose, and found out that the ring gear teeth are just about worn off, so it's been regulated to a less used job. But anyway,